Fire can cool me up, lazy.
What's up? Welcome back. I already started off with my brows. As you can see from the title, this is gonna be a get ready with me. I haven't done one in a while. I'm actually going to a Pepsi event today, so I'm just getting a little glammed up. I'm gonna keep it neutral glam, nothing too drastic except for the lashes. I'm gonna be doing big lashes. As you can see, I already did the brows, so I'm just gonna jump on into the eye portion. So you guys know the gist. I go ahead and I base my eyelids. I want to do like definitely cut crease vibe, but like a quarter crease, like, you know, like how you do half crease. And I'm gonna be just using neutral tones for this, you know, so it's like semi dramatic. And I'm just doing this because I'm in the mood. Usually when I'm going to an event, I just keep things super natural and like big lashes and glossy lips. So I'm going into my Alamar eyeshadow palette and I'm using Cafecito for my transition. You know, just browns and nudes. That's the focus for this look. So I'm pretty much just dragging the color all the way down on the outer lid, because for the most part, like the outer part right here is gonna stay brown. Right now I'm just gonna move on to cutting the crease. I just took my time to just ensure that the crease is just really sharp there. So what I want to do now, I'm gonna go in with this like really light nude shade there and pat it onto that area. I'm gonna pat it onto the inner portion of the crease. Okay, now that I'm done with creating that crease, I want to go in with like a darker color, but not as dark as what is on the outer portion. And I'm gonna take Coco Taxi, which is this shade here. So I'm going to pat that onto the rest of where I applied concealer. It's a really light color as well, but it's not as light as the previous shade that I applied. Then I'm gonna go in with a darker brown, but not as dark as the one at the edge, and pat that in. I'm doing like a diagonal placement with the eyeshadows, kinda. So I'm gonna apply my lashes, which are really dramatic. I'm gonna use these lashes again, same ones I used the other day in the bow lash look. Okay guys, so you see it's neutral tones, but this is still very much a dramatic eye. All right, yes. So basically I explained the eyes, you know. I'm just gonna pretty much run through the face portion. I haven't been incorporating the face portion a lot. I've done it like a million times, but I've been, you know, doing different eye looks, so, you know. And yes, I'll put the products in the description box so you guys can check that out. Guys, I know that I've paused on the Carnival series. Yes, I paused because I'm waiting until we draw a bit closer when we start doing more stuff. I just wanted to really kick it off. I have a I should be doing a photo shoot soon related to Carnival, which should be really glam and nice and just like really nice. So we're gonna see how that goes. It's just giving you guys an update if you are wondering. Also, I've been vlogging a lot. I'm just gonna kind of, as I said, run through the whole face version. I've been vlogging a lot more, not a lot, but a lot more than I usually would, as in comparison to how I would vlog last year. Like, I had cooled it a bit because, I don't know, sometimes, I don't know, I just had a lot going on, and vlogging, it just didn't seem as fun at one point for me, because sometimes it just becomes pressure, and, you know, it feels like work, and vlogging should be really fun, you know. And I'm not gonna lie, that happened to me here on my main channel before. I felt uninspired at a point in time, and I just realized that some of my content became repetitive, and I don't like when that happens. Like, I'm not gonna lie, from the other day, doing these eye looks really bring joy to me. It's like, this is what I started out with, to be honest, just full on makeup. But over the years, YouTube has evolved, you know, it has grown into something way broader. Like, from man, you couldn't do anything on YouTube still. But, you know, it's like, you guys have seen so many makeup tutorials, and so I had shied away from it for a bit, and I realized that, you know what, it's just me that really need to switch up things a little bit more. I'm still doing other stuff, but it's just like, I find joy in creating these looks, and like, that's how I started. Like, it was always so much fun for me to just sit down and randomly come up with something, like a look, you know. And that's literally what I started to do all over again, and I just felt like something reignited inside of me, and that's what I want for my channel, you know. I genuinely just want to entertain you guys, and of course, you guys see that we are growing over here. Both channels are growing, but you guys know that my main channel is like, you know, main channel. So like, I must say, I'm so grateful, guys, for all the people that has stick around and stayed active, you know, in terms of just keeping up with my videos. I'm really grateful for that, you know. I'm really grateful. It means a lot to me, you know, it really does. I'm almost at 400,000, and I couldn't have done that without you guys. Still road to 1 million and beyond, because it's not like, oh, when I hit 1 million one day it's gonna stop right there. Not at all. But, you know, I feel like that's most YouTubers' dream, to hit 1 million and keep on growing. And I'm happy that you guys have just, you know, been here throughout the entire journey. It means a whole lot. Thank you guys. The other day I just put out a fitness video, and I want to start putting out more. I can't wait. Well, soon, very soon, another fitness video will be up. And because in my previous fitness video I spoke to you guys about, you know, what you wanted to see, if you're interested to see what I mentioned, and a lot of you guys were like in agreement. So definitely I'm working on that for you guys. And I just want you guys to know, somebody said the other day, Sue, you promised lookbooks. And I'm just saying, like, we don't see no lookbooks yet. With lookbooks, I have to partner up with the videographer, and, you know, sometimes, you know, the schedules don't necessarily mesh, so it's all about time management. I want to ensure that when I film something, I get it on a specified time. You know, in the past, some of the lookbooks that I filmed, I had to wait so long for them. So I just want to ensure that everybody is on the same page, you know, and I'm going to be on track, because I love doing my lookbooks. Like, I genuinely love doing my lookbooks, and not doing them, it really makes me feel like, boy, I really miss them just as much as you guys.
Me, I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard me.
I've been so tight on my skincare regimen, and I still got a breakout. I'm getting a breakout here. Like, sometimes it can be so depressing. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channels yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and check out my vlogs. You can get to know me a little bit more.
Understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. I tell them.
I have to drink some of my brisk. I can literally finish a bottle of one of these iced teas in like 2 gulps. I love this flavor though. This one is the strawberry kiwi. It's from Brisk. Really, really love it. It's 0 sugar, you know, 0 calories, and like it's really nice. So you remind me of cran water. It's really nice. It's just refreshing. I don't really drink juice like that at the moment, so like this, when I don't really want to drink any water, it's very, very convenient for me. All right, I'm just going to smoke out that lower portion a bit. Alright, now I'm going to spray my face with my Mario Badescu water, which I'm almost out of, the cucumber one.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad
Super neutral lips, so just brown liner and some concealer. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna get dressed and come back and unravel my hair. Okay guys, so now that I'm dressed, I'm going to just unravel my hair. Definitely you guys know it's from RPG Hair Wigs. I'm wearing my go-to wig right now. I'm wearing one of my go-to wigs right now. Like, I absolutely love this wig. I'm going to put all the details on it in the description, of course, so you guys can go ahead and get it for yourself if you like. And my direct RPG hair page link, so you can go ahead. And don't forget, my discount codes are PETITE-SUE 15 and PETITE 10. So look at these gorgeous curls. This is so nice. I'm not completely combing it out. I'm just combing it to a point so that, you know, it can come in with the waves. And I don't really want it down in my face. As you can see, I'm kind of just pulling it back. I love this so much, guys. So I'll make a piece stay in the front and some stay at the back. And my lace is melted. They have taken their lace game to a whole another level. All right, so it's way more believable, way more realistic. I feel like I want to go on the top here with some hairspray. Guys, that is pretty much it for this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it was a bit of a chit chat vibe, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I miss doing get ready with me, so, you know, just because I miss going out too, but because I've been doing so much work, I'm gonna try to get out more though. Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section. You know, give this video a thumb up, and don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, because your girl uploads very frequently. Like, I stay consistent, guys. Like, me nah just talk. It's not the easy. It might seem like it's easy. It's not easy, but I stick to it. And, you know, I really appreciate you guys' support. We're almost at 400K. Really 400,000 people worldwide. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. I'm so grateful. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned. I will be vlogging this event, so if you want to see how that goes, then you need to go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV. You know, I upload at least twice over there every single week now, so yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.